Hello everyone. For this week's tutorial, I'd like to introduce you to the concepts of 2D programming using the Scratch engine, as it is more user-friendly than many programming languages, which require you to type out everything from nothing. Whereas the Scratch interface is a simple drag and drop and even has different types of code highlighted. The Scratch engine is web-based, which means you do not have to download anything to take up extra space on your hard drive. But the caveats to this are A, you need a web connection, and B, the Scratch engine will still consume RAM in conjunction to the RAM already consumed by your browser of choice. By default, in its blank state, Scratch takes up about 0.3 gigabytes of RAM, which is equal to 307.2 megabytes. However, as you add more variables to the Scratch engine, it will take up more RAM and also use up more of your processor. However, what makes this complicated is that the variable file size will depend on your processor. So a 32-bit processor will support 2 to the power of 32 different amounts of numbers. A 64-bit processor, 2 to the power of 64, and so on. The other complication, besides your processor bit depth, is that your computer does not read the numbers as you type them, but instead converts them to binary. And binary has only 2 digits, unlike the 10 digits you normally work with. So 2 in everyday math, formerly called the decimal number system, is 10 in binary, because 1 is the maximum digit. So when you add 1 beyond that, it gets carried over. Just like adding 1 to 9 in the regular number system. This consequently means that in the binary system, the greater your number value, the more data it will take up. Similar to how in the ordinary number system, 3 apples has more data, aka volume and mass, than 1 apple. Now that I've given you a preliminary warning about how variables are different depending on your hardware, as well as the fact that they become more computationally expensive the greater the number they have, I can begin teaching how to actually program your games starting next week.
Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.